I'm going to show you how to restart my iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max or any 17 series without any touch and without using any button. So let's get started. Simply at first open your settings. Please don't skip my video and press on Apple Intelligent and Siri. Make sure to enable and go to talk and type to Siri. Make sure to enable this. At first time turn off and select. At first time set up this. Continue. Siri, how is the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, set direction home. Siri, play some music. Okay, now finally set up this. Okay, and make sure to turn on this and this. Our setup. Close this. Hey Siri, restart my iPhone. Restart. Okay. And that's it.